Hello, welcome to Unpod. In today's episode, we are talking about another Y-Combinator-funded startup called Midship. In this series, we are exploring how YC-backed companies are growing and solving real-world problems. Midship is an AI-powered platform that helps you extract data from documents like PDFs and Excel sheets and automatically fills it into your spreadsheets. No more manual data entry. What used to take hours can now be done in just minutes. This tool is especially helpful for people who are not engineers but need to manage data efficiently. For example, a commercial real estate firm use Midship to pull data from multiple deals and populate their underwriting spreadsheets in just 5 minutes, saving them hours of work. The founders of Midship are Ahil Iyer, Max Mayo, and Kieran Taylor. Ahil was once an indie rock guitarist but is now a product designer specializing in financial products and AI tools. Max has shipped software that processed billions at PayPal and built AI powered apps from scratch. Kieran has spent years building data platforms at companies like Amazon and Instacart. Midship's mission is to eliminate manual data entry, giving professionals more time to focus on analysis. For more exciting startup stories, stay tuned to Unpod and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you next time.